Today's the first day of oyster harvesting in Alabama waters. Dozens of fishermen will get tags later this morning.
Chad Petrie is live this morning near Dauphin Island with this story. Good morning, Chad.
Good morning, Jessica. Good morning, Bill. You know, I was going to say it's going to be busy later this morning. No, it is busy right now. There are people lining up well before dawn here at the docks, here at Barb's Landing, getting ready for really the opening of this site. That'll be at 8 this morning when they'll start giving out those tags. You can sort of think of it as a gold rush. No one knows how long this season is going to last. It could last a few days. It could last several weeks. That all depends on water conditions and how much is harvested and how quickly. Also happening this year, officials want to improve outreach and education with the Oyster Tongan community to help explain factors that go into deciding how long a season is going to go.
So understanding how those regulations were created, the reasons that they were created, can help deal with some of the uncertainty and animus that's around it. But also part of the component of this project is increasing monitoring within these reefs.
And increased monitoring means asking fishermen to help collect environmental data. That'll give scientists a better idea of the relative health of local oyster reefs around our region. Reporting live along the Dauphin Island Causeway, Chad Petrie, WKRG News 5.